that was actually the first step that we did for this HTTP control strategy, basically trying to understand how our process performed, how our production process performed, and also if there were any HTTPs in our sort of final product. The characterization was performed using LCMS with this called DIA, which is data independent acquisition. We did the analysis on 3 in-process samples. We did it on clarified harvest and 2 chromatography steps, and of course then also the bulk product. And what we did realize was that our process performed or they had a really good clearance. So we started out in our clarified harvest sample approximately 800 proteins, but as soon as we passed the first chromatography step, we were down to 72, and another chromatography step we were down to 4. And in the end, we only had 3 HTPs left in our bulk product. One of them was actually a bit of residual protein A from the chromatography step, the first chromatography step. There was a second one and a third one. And the second one turned out actually to be a problematic HTP. And you might wonder, what is a problematic HTP? It could be sort of a general description of a HTP that either had knowledge around, it gave immunogenetic reactions early on, or it could be a HTP that has creates a problem for your stability of your product. So what did we understand from this? How does this approach sort of contribute to our HTTP control strategy? Well, first of all, very importantly, it showed you how our process performs. If we had a different result, that our process was less efficient in removing HTTPs, we would have had a chance there to optimize the process. We also, as I said, we gained knowledge on the presence of the HTTPs in the actual product, and was it problematic ones? And there was one. And also we actually used this data to perform coverage assessment of the ELISA reagent. What we also thought of, and this is something we're still looking into, is that you could use the protein A flow through to further characterize HTTP. Because when you do that, you actually deplete your HTTP sample from your product, leaving a more pure HTTP sample. Because when you do this, you actually analyze your sample that includes a lot of your product. So it might give you, by doing this, it might give you a better knowledge around your HTTPs.